Colonel Patay, prior to this assignment, were you on what station?
I was assigned at Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte, bago ka mapunta sa Quezon City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So bali, so will you confirm the statement of Manuel
I cannot
Patay?
confirm, Your Honor.
So most likely we'll be asking the also yung record nung sa kanila siguro.
Wala rin silang record. Baka may record to si Colonel Patay. Yung sinasabing record ni Mr. Mogato, meron ba kayong record noon, Colonel?
Wala na po, Your Honor. We submitted
Wala na
all the
kayong
reports.
police record noon?
All
Ba
the
hindi
records
pwede
were...
mawalan kayo ng police record niyan?
all-
Bira, dapat yan, record na yan, nakatago yan sa inyo. Hindi pwedeng sunugin nyo yan. Nasaan yung mga record?
Your Honor, the records were submitted to a higher office and
Now, you also have a copy of that. Even if you submit to the higher office, you should have a copy of that as an official file in your own station. My goodness, here is Mr. Mogato accusing you of more than 100 people who were killed during your time. Then you ought to produce the record because they have their own records. Sila hindi nila makita. Pero ikaw, dapat meron kayo niyan, Colonel Patay.
Your Honor, I have no personal records. All were left
No,
at the police station, Your Honor.
I'm not referring to personal records. I am referring to the records that you have in your police station. Who is the police station commander now?
I cannot identify, Your Honor.
You cannot know?
Identify the recent station commander of Station 6.
Then this committee is asking you to get a record of that. Or else, we're going to hold you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.